Looking for a power supply that balances reliability, efficiency, and quiet operation without breaking the bank? The EVGA 850W plus Bronze 850W power supply might be exactly what you need. With its fully modular design and compact 150mm chassis, it fits comfortably in most builds while delivering solid, dependable power. Whether you're upgrading your gaming rig or building a home theater PC, this PSU promises consistent performance and clean cable management from day one. What sets the EVGA 850W apart is its use of 100% Japanese capacitors on the 850W model, a hallmark of long-lasting, stable power delivery. These components ensure your system runs safely under pressure, reducing the risk of failure over time. Plus, the 80+ Bronze certification means it operates at 85% efficiency or better during typical loads, helping you save on electricity without compromising performance. You get a power supply designed to keep up with your needs for years, not just months. Noise is often a deal-breaker for many PC builders, but EVGA addresses this with their eco-intelligent thermal control system. At low to medium loads, the 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan actually stops spinning, creating a near-silent environment. When the fan does run, it's tuned to stay whisper quiet, offering a noticeable improvement over previous models like the B3 series. This means you can focus on your work or game without the distraction of a noisy power supply humming in the background. From a practical standpoint, the fully modular cables reduce clutter inside your case, improving airflow and making installation a breeze. Heavy-duty protections like overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, overpower, short circuit, and over-temperature safeguards provide peace of mind. You won't have to worry about damaging your components, even if unexpected power issues arise. I've seen many builders overlook the PSU, thinking any wattage will do. But investing in a trusted brand like EVGA pays off. This power supply isn't just a one-time purchase, it's a foundation for multiple builds. You'll upgrade your graphics card or CPU long before you need to replace this PSU. That's why choosing a reliable Bronze certified unit like the 850W makes sense, better than opting for a flashy gold model from a no-name brand that might not deliver on promises. EVGA's reputation extends beyond hardware quality. Their customer service is exceptional, often cited as some of the best in the tech world. That kind of support is invaluable when you're troubleshooting or considering future upgrades. If you want a PSU that combines performance, quiet operation, and long-term reliability, the EVGA 850W is worth a look. If you're ready to upgrade your system with a power supply that delivers consistent power, quiet operation, and trusted components, the EVGA 850W is a solid choice. It fits a wide range of builds, offers modular convenience, and keeps your PC running smoothly without unnecessary noise. Try it when you're ready to invest in a power supply that won't let you down.